Tired of contracts slowing you down? Today, we're diving into how to automate your contracts using Docusign and Zapier, unlocking a world of efficiency. First, make sure you have accounts with both Docusign and Zapier, then log into Zapier. Click the Create Zap button. This will start the process of building your automated workflow. Search for Docusign in the Trigger app search bar and select it. This tells Zapier that Docusign will initiate the workflow. From the Trigger event drop-down, choose Envelope Completed. This means the Zap will activate every time a Docusign envelope is fully signed. Click Continue. You'll now need to connect your Docusign account to Zapier. Click Sign into Docusign and follow the prompts to authorize the connection. Zapier will then ask you to customize the trigger with a few options. For example, you can specify an envelope status, such as completed, to only trigger the automation when an envelope is fully signed. Then, click Continue. Zapier will test the trigger to ensure it's working correctly. If the test is successful, you'll see sample data from a Docusign envelope. This confirms that Zapier can communicate with your Docusign account. Click Continue. Now choose your action app. This is what happens after the Docusign envelope is completed. For this example, let's select Google Sheets to log the contract details. From the Action Event dropdown, choose Create Spreadsheet row. This will add a new row to your Google Sheet every time an envelope is completed. Click Continue. Connect your Google Sheets account to Zapier. Click Sign into Google Sheets and authorize the connection. Select the spreadsheet and worksheet you want to use. Then, map the data from Docusign to the appropriate columns in your sheet. For example, you can map the signer's name to the signer name column and the date signed to the date signed column. After mapping all the necessary fields, test your Zap by clicking Test and Continue. If everything works correctly, turn on your Zap, and you're all set. Now every time an envelope is completed in Docusign, the data will automatically populate in Google Sheets. You've just automated your contract workflow.